Merci beaucoup, Anisha, for explaining La Maison D'être. This is the house of être. These are the only verbs we have to use it with the verb être while conjugating in passé composé. Okay. There is a cheat code. Dr. Mrs. von der Tromp. D. Devenir. R. Rentrer. M. Mourir. R. Retourner. S. Sortir. V. Venir. Aller. Naître. Descendre. Entrer. Retourner. T. Tomber. R again. What is R here? Anybody can help? Revenir. Okay. Then A. Aller. Then M. Mourir. Passé, partir. Okay. Merci. Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to my channel. Learn French with Vibha. Today I am going to give you a cheat code to learn passé composé avec être. These are the only 17 verbs we use with passé composé with être. What are these verbs and how do we remember it? Dr. Mrs. von der Tromp, it is cheat code. D. Devenir, to become. The passé composé form is devenu. R. Revenir, to come back. The passé composé form is revenu. Mourir, M. To die, and the passé composé form is mort. There are some irregular verbs as well. I have written the passé composé form of all. Learn them by heart. R. Retourner, to return. The passé composé form is retourner. S. Sortir, to went out. The passé composé form is sorti. Venir, to come. The passé composé form is venu. Arriver, to arrive. Arrivé. Naître, to be born, né. Descendre, to climb down, descendu. Entrer, to enter, entrer. Rentrer, to re-enter, to come back, rentrer. Tomber, to fall, tomber. Rester, to stay, rester. Aller, to go, aller. Monter, to climb up, monter. Partir, to leave. The passé composé form is parti. Passé, to pass by, and the passé composé form is passé, avec l'accent aigu. Also, one very important thing, only with these verbs we follow the gender rule as well. How? If the subject is feminine, we'll put extra E to show that the subject is feminine. If the subject is plural, we put extra S to show that the subject is plural. If the subject is feminine plural, we put extra ES to put the feminine plural. This is very, very important thing. And this we use only when we are conjugating the verbs in passé composé with être. Merci beaucoup.